Tired of Windows 11 slowing down your old PC? What if I told you there's a Lite version? Today, we're reviewing Windows 11 Lite, what it is, how to install it, and if it's actually worth the hype. Windows 11 Lite is a stripped-down version created by developers like NTDEV. It's designed to run on incredibly low-spec systems, like 2 GB of RAM and 10 GB of storage. Think of it as a diet version of Windows 11. It cuts out the fluff, like animations, Windows Defender, and Xbox services for a faster, lighter experience. First, you'll need the ISO file. Download it from the provided link. Then, use Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. Don't forget to create a separate partition for the install. We'll show you how to do this quickly in Disk Management. Now boot from your USB drive, select your partition, and follow the installation prompts. The process is similar to a standard Windows 11 install. It might take some time, so be patient. Once done, you'll be greeted by the Windows 11 Lite desktop. After using it for a few days, I'm impressed. It's noticeably faster and uses fewer resources. However, you'll miss some features like Windows Defender and smooth animations. The screenshot tool also doesn't work. But if you need a lightweight OS for an old PC, this is a solid option. It could be a great alternative to Chrome OS Flex. If you're hesitant to install a custom OS, consider debloating your existing Windows 11 installation. This removes unnecessary apps and services, improving performance without the risk. So, is Windows 11 Lite worth it? If you have an old PC and need a lightweight OS, absolutely. But if you rely on specific Windows 11 features, you might want to stick with the standard version. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.